Adding discount prices on Shopify is a straightforward process that can help boost sales and attract customers. Here's how you can do it. Log into Shopify. Log into your Shopify account using your credentials. Navigate to discounts. From your Shopify dashboard, go to the discounts section. This can usually be found under the Sales Channels or Marketing tab. Create discount. Click on the Create Discount button to begin creating a new discount. Choose discount type. Select the type of discount you want to offer. Shopify provides various options such as percentage discounts, fixed amount discounts, free shipping, or buy one get one deals. Set discount parameters. Specify the details of your discount, such as the discount amount or percentage, minimum purchase requirements, and validity dates. Select products. Choose which products or collections the discount will apply to. You can select specific products, collections, or apply the discount store-wide. Review and save. Double-check all the details of your discount to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, save the discount. Promote the discount. After creating the discount, promote it to your customers through various channels like email newsletters, social media, or on-site banners to maximize its visibility and impact.